I look really, really pale today. Hi guys, it's Briddy and today is an exam day, hence why I am bare. Very, very bare. Because yeah, I have an exam. It started like an hour ago, except we have like a 24-hour window where we can do the exam, and yeah, I'm like kind of just over it, not even stressed out anymore. I just want to finish it. So I did some study yesterday, which I'm gonna play the clips in a moment, but like yeah, I didn't do that much study because I had to go see the doctors to check up on something, which I'll probably do a video about depending on what happens. It's kind of serious, so like I'm hoping everything is like okay, but yeah, I'm okay though at the moment, and I have an exam to sit, so yeah, I'm gonna get started. Also, before I start with my exam, I'm gonna write down 3 things I'm grateful for today because I've been trying to make it a habit of doing that. Yeah, my entries, which I don't want you to read, but yeah, I've been writing entries into my diary, and it makes me feel really good. So yeah, I just think I need to start my morning with some positivity because I've been really stressed out and tired lately. So as you can probably see, my room is like a bit messy right now, so I am going to take all of this and go to my sister's room. I don't know if you can tell, but my sister's room is like so much neater than mine. Look at her study desk. It's just like the perfect space. So I'm gonna borrow this today and do my work here. So I have 2 breakfasts because I didn't realize my dad made pancakes, but I also made Vegemite toast with cheese. So 2 breakfasts, and I'm gonna start my paper.
What's on your apartment tomorrow?
Okay, so it's currently a few hours later and I'm like so cold. I don't know if you can tell, I'm really cold and I'm so tired, and I look really, really bad today. Just today is so bad. I look so bad. I'm only halfway through my exam. It's about 10 o'clock and yeah, I'm just so not feeling it. And I got so many pimples on my face. That's a pimple sticker, that's a pimple sticker, that's a pimple sticker. I just look so bad today. Today is not my day. I'm gonna finish doing my paper and then go to bed, and tomorrow I will be a free woman until Saturday. We have another exam, so this isn't going as well as I thought. Honestly, I'm learning as I'm doing this exam, which I feel like isn't right, but I am. This course wasn't that bad, and I wish I tried harder earlier because I probably could have gotten more marks and not had to work so hard on this last exam. My answers, which I will not share. I'm wearing a scarf right now because it's really cold. So cold.
그렇게 부르지 마 자꾸 약해지잖아 취해서 전화해도 받지 마 뭐 꽃을 버릇됐잖아 내 이름 그렇게 부르지 마 자꾸 헷갈리잖아.
I look so ridiculous right now, but I just finished my paper. I've been literally working on this all day and I want to just sleep. Morning guys, it is the day after my first exam and I feel great. I don't know how much I filmed yesterday and I don't know how good that filming was because to be honest, I was just panicking about my exam that whole time and I had a bunch of other stuff that I have to get done, so I'm just like going crazy. But yeah, so now I have one more exam, which is tomorrow because it's Friday today, and I'm so excited to get that exam done. But we also have a dinner tomorrow with my boyfriend's family. Anyways, I'm gonna go now and make some breakfast because I realized I got a bunch of emails this morning and I need to check all of them. So yeah, this is my breakfast: some pancakes, some eggs, and a cup of water. I'm doing my final exam and it's a Saturday, and my boyfriend just left because he's finished his exam, but he has some stuff to get done before we go dinner tonight, and I am sitting here finishing my exam, so wow for me. Here in this position because it's been a long day. Yeah, I have a Google Drive which I need to access this document. Yep, right here. This is the one. Or is it? Actually, I don't even know if this is the right one. Okay. Well, somewhere in here is going to be my document. Of my nights are dedicated to finishing my work because I love a work day, aka uni work day. I'm actually so bored. I can't be like okay, here we go. So we have, this is like spicy stuff. I forgot what you call it. This is like mala. So it's like super spicy and numbing. And then we have wontons and some bok choy, and then this is just good old rice. Right?
Yeah, so it goes 5140.
I'm downstairs. I'm out here in the kitchen, and oh sorry. So these right here are my crumpets, my wholemeal crumpets from Coles. They're so hot. I love mozzarella cheese. Like, I love mozzarella cheese with a passion. Shredded cheese on top and melt it all so it looks glorious. This is when the magic happens. Whoa. Right, so this is my, oh, these kind of look like butter, like melted butter. I just showered. I tried to freshen up a little bit because I was feeling really tired, and when I feel really tired it means I can literally fall asleep anywhere. Sometimes I fall asleep on this table, so I need to fix that. Literally just sat down and prepared to do some more work because we have a call at 10 p.m. which I don't want to join, but I have to. But yeah, okay, time to do work. My computer just froze. No. This is like due in an hour, as in due by my group in an hour, so I'm a little screwed. I only have 1 hour to finish this and my computer froze. Not happy.
It's just flip the other way around.
Yeah.
Ours look different.
Fine, different.
But the system is identical.